Hey everyone, what is up? Today I have for you guys a favorites video, and I really wanted to do one again because I personally love watching videos like this, and I feel like no one really does these kind of videos anymore. So I want to kind of take it back to like old school makeup videos, and today I'm going to be showing you guys what my August favorites were. I do have some makeup, skincare, and hair care products that I'm going to be showing you guys. So I'm going to first start out with the makeup products. So my first favorite is an eyeshadow palette, and this is the Anastasia Norvina palette. I have been obsessed with this palette. This is definitely one of my new favorite Anastasia palettes. These shades in here are just so pretty. They definitely scream my name. There's a lot of pinks and purples, which I personally love. I do have a tutorial on my channel using this palette, so if you guys want to check that out, I will leave a link in my description box below. But seriously, the mattes and shimmers in this palette are so good. The mattes are super pigmented. I think that the Anastasia eyeshadows are probably the most pigmented eyeshadows that I've ever used. They're definitely a really like soft formula. I really like the Anastasia shimmers as well, but I do find that I have to wet my brush to make them look like really metallic. I love the shade Celestial in this palette. It's just so pretty. I really love the color scheme of this palette, so if you're looking for a really nice like pink and purpley palette, definitely check this one out. My next favorite is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer. This concealer is seriously so good, you guys. If you're looking for an affordable concealer that is full coverage, definitely check this out. You don't get that much product in these tubes, but I find myself using just a little bit at a time because it is so full coverage. A lot of people compare this concealer to the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, but I personally like this one better. I feel like this one is just less drying than the Tarte Shape Tape. I feel like I can put this one under my eyes and have no problems. I don't really like to put the Tarte Shape Tape under my eyes because I feel like it's just, I don't know, a little bit like cakey and drying, but this one doesn't really do that if you apply it sparingly. I actually use this literally every single day under my eyes. I used to use the Sephora Bright Future Gel Serum Concealer, but I've recently been really liking this one because I have to use like less of it to get the coverage that I'm looking for. My next makeup favorite is a product that I recently started using. It is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Pressed Powder. I have not used a pressed powder in years, but someone recently posted on Twitter that they really like this powder and it makes their skin look like very smooth and definitely poreless. It claims to make your face look poreless, and it definitely does. I find that this doesn't make my face look cakey at all. It just gives your face like a nice like it almost creates like a nice like veil over your skin. It makes it look very smooth. I have a lot of pores on my chin and my nose and forehead area, and this definitely helps to smooth my skin out. I've been using this on an everyday basis, and it definitely helps keep my skin matte all day. My next favorite is the Grande Lips Hydra Plump Lip Primer. I have a video on this product where I did like a wear test all day using it. I love using this literally every day when I do my makeup. I don't normally wear like a lip shade or anything like that to work, so I will just like do my makeup and then at the end I will apply this to my lips, and it just makes your lips look so like smooth. There literally will be no lines on your lips. So if you have a lot of lines like I do on your lips, you will definitely like this because it makes them look very smooth. I really like to wear this under liquid lipstick as well, just so I have like very smooth lips. Also, this does plump your lips, but it doesn't like plump them like in an uncomfortable way. A lot of lip plumpers will make your lips like super tingly, and I don't personally like that. This one does have like a little bit of a tingle, but it's more of like a cooling tingle. I really like this product, and I also have really thin lips, and it does make them look a little bit more plump. So my next favorite is from the brand Dr. Brandt. This is their No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. As you can see, I've made quite a dent in this little tube. I got this in a BoxyCharm. I can't remember which month it came in, so I just looked, and this came in my July BoxyCharm. I've been using this underneath my eyes before I do my makeup, and it really does brighten your under eyes. Like, I do get dark circles underneath my eyes, and I do get puffy eyes, especially when I wake up in the morning. And when I apply this, I really feel like it makes them look really like bright and awake. So I really like this. We do get a lot of Dr. Brandt products in our BoxyCharms, which I really like. There isn't really a Dr. Brandt product that I've gotten that I haven't liked, so I definitely recommend this one. And then my next favorite is also a product that I got in a BoxyCharm, but I went ahead and bought the full size. This is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and basically it's just like a body lotion or body butter, and it's supposed to like smooth and firm your skin. I've been using this on my legs, and I wouldn't really say that it's like really helped smooth out my legs. I feel like this is one of those products that kind of like you have to use it every day to see results, and it kind of like goes away if you stop using it. This seriously smells so good. I have never used a lotion that smells this good, and like the smell stays on your skin all day. I personally love it. It is pricey, but I do feel like it's worth it. They do sell this at Sephora if you guys are interested in it. I just picked up a brand new one during the Sephora VIB sale because I ran out of my other one. I'm gonna be doing a Sephora VIB sale haul probably next week once I get the rest of my products in the mail. Alright, so my last two favorites are hair care products, and I have super curly hair, as you guys can see, and this is second day hair, so it's not as curly as it like would be on the first day because I did kind of brush through it, which you shouldn't really do with curly hair, but it was super like tangly. So I recently heard of these hair care products by the brand Diva Curl. They are pretty expensive, but seriously, they are so amazing. I've never used any like curly hair products that really could tame my frizzy curly hair. You can buy these at both Sephora and Ulta, which I didn't know. I bought mine at Ulta. So the first one is the Diva Curl Styling Cream. I use this every day when I get out of the shower. So I'll first like detangle my hair and then I will put this through my hair. These products do have like protein in them, so they do make your hair feel very soft. So I'll put this one in first, and this really just helps to smooth out your hair and make sure that it's not super frizzy. This does have like a little bit of like a hold. Also, both of these products are sulfate, paraben, and silicone free, which is really good for curly hair. And then my other product that I have been loving is the Diva Curl Light Defining Gel. This is like their gel that you're supposed to scrunch your hair with. So I will use this after I use the styling cream, and I'll just put it all throughout my hair and like scrunch my hair. I have never found a hair gel that didn't make my hair feel like crunchy. This gel will not make your hair feel crunchy at all. You do have to apply it to wet hair, and then I kind of let my hair dry a little bit. It will feel kind of crunchy, I guess, but you're supposed to scrunch it out of your hair, and as soon as you scrunch it out, it's not crunchy at all. It's nice and like smooth. I don't know why I keep touching my hair. My hair looks crazy right now. I didn't really use them today. I used a little bit, but so if you have super curly hair, I definitely recommend those products. I should probably do like a how I style my curly hair video. Let me know if you guys want to see a video like that. So yeah, those are all of my favorites for the month of August. Leave me a comment down below with what products you guys were loving. I will have all of the products that I mentioned in this video linked in my description box below if you guys want to check any of them out. And I'm also doing a giveaway right now, so if you guys want to enter that, I will have a link there for that as well. And also I will have all of my other social media accounts like my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook page linked there if you guys want to follow me on those as well. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And before you leave, don't forget to click the bell next to the subscribe button so you guys can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.